Fix Windows 10 Update Error KB5058481 not installing due to failed downloads, system glitches, or corrupted files. Let's fix it step by step. Solution 1. Run Windows Update. Fix script first. Open a blank Notepad file. Now copy the code from the video description and paste it into the blank Notepad. Click on File, then click on Save As. Choose a location to save the file. Type the name as wupdate.bat. For Save As type, select All Files. Click on Save. Now go to the location where you saved the file. Right-click on the batch file and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Wait for the process to complete. Then close the command prompt window. Solution 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Click on Update and Security. Then click on Troubleshoot from the left menu. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. Find and click on Windows Update. Now click on Run the Troubleshooter. Wait for the process to finish. Once done, click on Close. Solution 3. Use Windows 10. Update Assistant. Open your browser. Copy the link from the video description. Paste it into the address bar and press Enter. Now click on Update Now under the Windows 10 2022 Update, version 22 H2. Click Update Now again. Click on Open File. Then click on Yes. Once done, click Close. Solution 4. Use Windows 10 Installation Media Tool. Reopen the same link in your browser. Scroll down and click on Download Now under Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon to open the file location. Double-click the setup file. Click Yes when prompted. Click Accept. Then click Next. Now just follow all the on-screen instructions to complete the update process. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.